Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews Moose. I finally got it in. I got a Boston Scally review here. As you can see, this is an Easter themed cap. Been waiting for a few days here now. It was definitely delayed by the Postal Service. Not of any fault of Boston Scally. As you can see, the package is pretty damaged. I'm hoping that there was no damage to the cap. But let's go ahead and open it up here. Again, this is a Easter themed cap here. Let's go ahead and get this. They put a bunch of tape over what Boston Scally put on there. So, like I said, hopefully it's not damaged at all. And we'll find out here in about 2 seconds. Holy cow, they really did do a good job taping this there, at least Post Office. Try to fix their damaging here. Holy Moses. There it goes. At least you just not shut yourself out. Here. Jeez. Alright, so I'm just going to rip the box. It looks like the cap's intact. Oh, Moses. And here it is. The cotton. Oh, my. This is actually. I was expecting it to be a little bit. Got the pin. Again, this is the Cottontail after Peter Cottontail, the legend of Peter Cottontail. I did get the pin as well. I like the pin, and the cap is absolutely beautiful. Didn't know if all the pastels would really clash. I did get a medium large in this, and you'll see Ace's tail here. Ace, you mind, bud? Hey, trying to do a review here, sir. Well, anyway, this is the Cottontail, and this is Ace. You know, it's our daughter's cat, but she no longer lives with us. But somehow we've had him for about 2 months now. She has another cat, and they don't really get along well. This is the Cottontail. Great looking artwork on the inside, medium large. These colors are amazing. I really like the pastels. Let's go ahead and try it on here. Yeah, great fitting cap. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, show a close-up. I'll put the pin on, get all these little box dust things on here. I'll be right back. All right, so here's a close-up of the cap. These colors are absolutely amazing. Really like them. And, of course, the close-up of the pin. Pretty cool looking as well. Again, this is the Cottontail, or Peter Cottontail, hopping along the bunny trail, hippity-hoppity, whatever the rest of it went. I don't remember the song real well. I remember that part, though. Inside, got the blue leather bromette, the medium large. Beautiful. I love the interior on this. And this is the silk screen. It's not the vinyl logo. So if you have a bald head like myself, that will not stick to your head. All right. So we'll go back and finish a review on the other camera there. Be right back. All right, so I'm back with the Cottontail. There it is with the pin. Actually, let's go to the sweatshirt on. I do have another shirt that I'm going to probably wear with us. And I'm definitely going to wear this on Easter. This is a nice looking. This might be my favorite Easter or Easter themed cap that came from Boston Scally. These colors, man, they're just perfect. My wife's going to dig this one. Again, the Cottontail, Boston Scally, Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.